Moguls power. Moguls zigizaga.
Makiaria marĩ taũni-inĩ ya Mombasa, Arutani moigĩte thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhũthĩra kĩgwatio kĩa mathukuru matarĩ ho gũcerithĩria kĩgĩna kũrĩ mathukuru, ũndũ ũrĩa moigĩte ũbatiĩ gũkinya mũthia.
Why is it just go school but there's no evidence of that go school? This means this is a game they are playing to delay capitation, to deny learners the rightful amount, to make principals and heads of institutions have sickness because of lack of paying bills.
Therefore, Mr. President, we are requesting you, don't lie to the public. Usidanganye wananchi kuwa umemploy 70,000 teachers, yet you have employed interns, paying them as cheap casual laborers. Tunakuomba the 20,000 interns who are in Moguls wakwe confirmed before January.
Maroiga gũtereba mathukuru nĩ kũremete, makiuga mwerekera wa gĩthomo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ũhotomete, kuona thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩkĩroria mbeca honge-inĩ iria itarĩ na umithio mũnene.
What business do we have with a lot of allocation of money to State House and we have no money to run schools? As we talk here, principals are burning midnight oil. Every day Wakuka papers, they are filling information day in, day out. It is turned back. Day in, day out, turned back. Up to now, they have not received anything called capitation in their accounts.
Arutani aya no mathiĩte na mbere na kwendekithia wĩyathi wa arutani a JSS, makiuga arutani aya matibatiĩ gũkorwo rungu rwa arutani anene, kuona nĩ makinyanĩirie ikĩro ciothe cia kwĩyatha.
Our call for autonomy is not about conflict. It is about the learner's interest. We therefore urge the government to post substantive principles to all junior schools, secondary schools starting January 2026.
It should be noted that we are not fighting to lead the junior school. We are fighting to have the autonomy. And the simplest way to have the autonomy is, let's have even our educators or teachers from the senior schools be brought into the junior school so that we are able to run this distinctive level of education where the learners are now adolescents, no, they are not kids and they are not also adults.
Nao arunao kuma kaunti ya Kitui nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũthingĩrĩria Ministry ya Gĩthomo kũmahe wĩyathi wao, makiuga kwa ihinda rĩrĩ maratongorio na njĩra ĩtagĩrĩire.
Autonomy in terms of JS school administration, whereby we demand that JS must be managed by principals and deputy principals who are trained in secondary school management.
Because we need an identity to be identified as junior school teachers.
The autonomy, it will give us the freedom. It will give us the space to grow. It will create room for JS teachers to be heard.
Mwena-inĩ wake Minister wa Gĩthomo akĩaria mwena wa Mombasa aroigire wĩyathi ũrĩa arutani aya marendekithia nĩ ũndũ ũreyumĩririe icera-inĩ rĩao thingira-inĩ wa iregi, akiuga thirikari nĩ kũmũrĩka.
But it is an issue that as we speak today is part of the reforms that we'll be doing when we do the reforms to the acts, to the statutes and the policy reform.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inoro TV kuma gũkũ Mombasa, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.